Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start in Settings because that's where System Captions live. Open Settings and tap Accessibility, then scroll until you see Live Captions or the Audio/Visual subsection. Once found, you're ready for the first action. Toggle the Live Captions switch off. Do this now. It immediately stops real-time captioning across apps. If you don't see the option, make sure your iPhone is updated. Newer iOS versions expose this control. Once you've toggled the system setting, also check Control Center. Swipe down and look for Live Caption till you can remove or disable. Next, open any app where captions persisted and check its settings. Some apps have their own caption or transcription toggles. After changing both system and app toggles, force quit the app or restart the app to ensure the new preference takes effect. That clears cached accessibility behavior and prevents captions from returning. You finish by restarting the iPhone so every service reloads without captions. If captions still appear, make sure iOS is current and install any pending updates. Updates often fix accessibility glitches. If problems persist, try reset all settings as a last resort. This restores defaults without erasing data, but you should back up first. Troubleshooting tip: if captions reappear only in one app, reinstall that app. That usually clears stubborn app-level caption persistence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.